rediscovering the original beauty killer. Hello beautiful people, this is AM Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today. On this channel we cover everything from makeup to skincare to fashion to travel, whatever makes you feel more fabulous at any age. If you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, Jeffree Star recently announced that he is discontinuing his first palette, the Beauty Killer, and is releasing Beauty Killer Part 2, which is a entirely new group of colors. So I decided to get out this palette. I haven't really used it in a while, and just play with it for a day and create a really colorful look. So anyway, here goes. This is the original Beauty Killer, Jeffree Star's very first palette. I believe it was released about 5 years ago. I'm going to be ordering Beauty Killer 2, but I thought, why not just revisit this original palette and create a new look with this? So these are the colors. So I'm just going to play with it a little bit today and see what kind of look I can come up with. I'm going to start, I always like to start with the neutral and just sort of go over the base of my eyelid. So I'm going to start with Courtney. Okay. I do really like this pink, this Star Power. So I'm going to just take that from the outer edge and just sort of go into the crease a little bit. Just give a little bit of color here. So now I'm going to take my liner brush, and I think I'm going to use Vanity, this sort of dark gray, as a liner. Although Jeffree is constantly improving on his formulas, this one is surprisingly good to be a very first effort. I think I'm going to take a little bit expensive and do that along the lower lash line. I only do the outer half of the lower lash line because I don't want to close in my eyes. Alright, so now I'm really liking this gold Rich Bitch. So yeah, I like this shiny gold. And kind of blend everything together with that. Let me take a little bit more of expensive and just kind of blend a little along here too. And the same in the other colors. I'm going to just try Princess and just go along the center right in here. That white shiny tone. And this purple is just so appealing to me, so let's just add a little touch of that up around the crease. Okay, now I've used a little bit of every color, but I'm going to go back in with my favorite, the gold, and just try to blend it all together. Actually, I didn't really try this confessional. So let's just take a dusting of this and put it on the base of the lid as well. These colors are blending really well. Okay, now this is the type palette that you can tell a single color story, or you can just mix them all together like I did today. And it's really, I think it was a really good first effort for Jeffree. Let's do a little China White under the brow bone. Alright, so this is my colorful Beauty Killer eye look. I'm going to go off camera and put on my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, now this is my colorful Beauty Killer look for today. I'm really glad I have this original palette. I think it's going to become somewhat of a collectible. And I'm also looking forward to getting Beauty Killer 2, which is an entirely different color story. Sort of the same feel to it, but all new colors. By the way, I'm going to put a link to all the products I used, the Jeffree Star products, as well as anything else I used in getting ready this morning. So that's the video for today. If you enjoyed it, could you please give us a thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.